Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect the same WhatsApp number on two different smartphones. Let's get right into it. First of all, you download WhatsApp on your second phone and then open it and tap on agree. Open WhatsApp on your primary phone. This is the phone you've originally connected WhatsApp with, right? Open WhatsApp on it and then open settings. Okay, now click on linked device. And now click on link a device. Back to your other phone, click on linked device. Now let's scan the QR code on our primary phone. Now let's wait for WhatsApp to load on the second phone. Let's just wait for a while. Right, now there you go, right? Now you have your WhatsApp linked on two different devices. Now if you get a call or a message or anything like that, it's going to appear on both phones. So you can, reply on both phones. If the other one is not reachable, if it's in the bedroom and you're in the living room and you just have one of the phones, you don't have to get up and go get it. You can just reply all your messages here. If you're not comfortable using the other phone, then you can, use this particular one to, reply your messages, text and all of that. It's pretty easy. There are some people who were originally using WhatsApp on a particular phone, but they've upgraded and they are finding it difficult to migrate, their WhatsApp onto their new phone. So they will choose this method because it's easier. They just go through this process so they don't use the other phone much. They will use this the most so that at least they can reply messages, chat and all that with the phone that they use more. If this is helpful to you, please do well to like this video and then subscribe to this channel if you're new here. Also, do share this to someone who may need it the most. I would see you in another video. I'm out.